Hello, Loxney.
It's Lucy.
I'm sorry. This for building birdhouse? This cracker? Birdhouse.
Those are crackers to eat.
Birdhouse eat?
No, you eat them. You don't eat birdhouses.
Oh,
God, what is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. When I come to the grocery store to build birdhouse, find supply to build the birdhouse.
Why would you come to a grocery store to build a birdhouse?
Or the grocery store where you get the supply to build birdhouse?
Why don't you go to a hardware store like Lowe's?
Lowe's? Where's this Lowe's you talk about?
I don't know. I think it's like somewhere down the road.
Down the road? How far?
Like 10 feet. God, get a life.
I buy this bird feed for the bird to eat.
This is popcorn. Are you, what? What?
Bird eat corn. I read on the internet. Bird eat corn. Corn good for bird.
Okay. I'll put it in the bag for you.
How much money?
$10.
Good? This good for bird?
Oh, yeah, I love these things.
For bird?
No, not for the bird. People eat them. God.
I feed the bird. But good. Feed bird.
Why are you so obsessed with birds? Are you like Japanese or something?
I am Japanese.
What's with your robe anyways?
I
Yeah,
feed
nobody
this to
wears
the
bathrobes.
bees. To the bumblebees. Bumblebees tuna.
Now you're feeding the bees? God. Fine. Just
I wear this robe because I'm Japanese. This is a kimono.
kimono.
Yes. And
Okay.
this to feed my baby chinchilla.
Now you have a chinchilla. You're weirdo.
This is for me. I like squeezy too. Squeezy too good. Squeezy too yummy.
I'm not even gonna ask about that one.
Is this good for bird to eat? Good nutrients?
No.
Nutrients in the crackers.
No.
Not for the birdhouse. For the bird to eat.
Stupid.
For the bird to eat.
It's okay. The bird can eat whatever he wants.
I feed bird.
You can feed the bird. You can do whatever.
I feed bird at my house.
You can feed it wherever
I
you want.
live in a house.
Oh, really? I thought you lived in the trash can.
Oh, I used to.
Oh, good to know.
And then I moved to house.
Well, that is a big accomplishment.
Yeah. Oh,
That comes
that's
to $48.99.
That's empty.
$48.99.
Oh, monies. This costs monies?
Yes.
I asked you that earlier. I said this costs money. You didn't answer me.
Everything costs money.
I want this. This is mine. I bought it with my own basket and I took it here. And I want to feed.
Just give me the
bird.
money.
I have no money.
Well, then you can't buy it. Sorry, darling.
But I need to feed my bird.
You can't feed your bird.
You pay for me? You pay for me?
No.
We good friends.
I don't know you.
I love you.
Scare me. You're
I love
creepy,
you.
you little creeper. I don't
Come
like
on.
you.
Please, I want this to feed the bird. I don't build birds.
I don't care about the bird. He can.
I moved out
get
of the
a
trash.
ketchup
I
dog.
moved out of the trash can.
Well, you should move back because you don't have any money to buy this.
No.